Asia is a continent of wonders, where ancient traditions meet modern marvels. Imagine exploring vibrant cities, serene temples, and breathtaking natural landscapes, all in one incredible journey. In this video, we're uncovering the 10 best places to visit in Asia that will leave you in awe. From the cultural treasures of Bangkok to the iconic peaks of Mount Fuji, get ready to experience a world of beauty and adventure. Stick around as we reveal destinations you can't afford to miss. At number 10, we have the Maldives, a paradise like no other. Imagine the sun setting over a breathtaking coastline, casting golden hues on the turquoise waters. Picture a luxurious water villa floating in the middle of the ocean, surrounded by the iconic Maldives archipelagos. Thrill seekers can wakeboard across vibrant aqua reefs, while beneath the surface, coral reefs burst with life and color. The Maldives isn't just a destination, it's an escape into pure, untouched beauty. At number 9, we journey to Petra, the ancient city carved into rose-red cliffs in Jordan's desert. Imagine stepping through the narrow Sick Canyon, sunlight spilling onto the iconic treasury, its intricate facade a masterpiece frozen in time. Wander through Petra's expansive ruins, where each turn reveals majestic tombs and temples whispering stories of a lost civilization. As the sun sets, the stone city glows in hues of gold and pink, a breathtaking sight that feels like stepping into a dream. Petra isn't just history, it's magic etched into the rocks. At number 8, we arrive in Singapore, a city where the future meets natural beauty. Stroll across the iconic Helix Bridge, its dazzling lights reflecting on the water. Explore the futuristic gardens by the bay, where towering super trees create a dreamlike landscape. As night falls, the city's skyline comes alive, a tapestry of glowing skyscrapers. Nearby, the theaters on the bay shine like a jewel on the waterfront, offering culture against a backdrop of modern wonder. In Singapore, every corner tells a story of innovation and charm. At number 7, we step into Jaipur, the pink city of India. Wander along the historic Jaipur Wall, guarding the city's rich past. Marvel at the majestic amber fort, its architecture a blend of royal grandeur and intricate design. Glide past the serene Jal Mahal Palace on Myota Lake, where reflections dance on the water. As the sun sets, the sky over Jaipur Old City turns vibrant, casting a golden glow on the streets below. Jaipur isn't just a city, it's a timeless journey through history and beauty. At number 6, we travel to Angkor, where history and mystery intertwine. Stand in awe before the magnificent Angkor Wat, its towering spires rising against the jungle backdrop. Wander through the ancient temple ruins, where roots of giant trees weave through stone. As the sun sets, the silhouette of Angkor Thom appears, whispering tales of a lost empire. Angkor is more than a destination. It's a journey through time, where every stone holds a secret waiting to be uncovered. At number 5, we arrive in the enchanting town of Hoi An. Along the channel banks, ancient buildings reflect stories of a vibrant past. As night falls, the river comes alive with colorful lantern boats, casting a magical glow over the cityscape. Stroll through the bustling market, where skilled artisans craft delicate souvenirs. Hoi An isn't just a place, it's a tapestry of history, culture, and unforgettable charm. At number 4, we journey to the tropical paradise of Siargao. Imagine floating in the crystal-clear Magpupunko natural rock pools, or kayaking through the serene Sugba Lagoon. Explore the mystical Sohotan Cove, where hidden caves whisper secrets of the sea. As the day fades, the sunset paints the sky over mountains and mangrove jungles. a picture-perfect moment in this island wonderland. Coming in at number 3 is the vibrant city of Bangkok, a place where tradition and modernity collide. Picture yourself cruising along the Chao Phraya River, passing the grand temples and bustling markets. Stroll through the lush paths of Lumpini Park, where an artificial lake reflects the city's skyline. As the day winds down, the Rama 9th Bridge lights up, framing the dynamic business district with a glowing charm. Bangkok isn't just a destination, it's a story waiting to be discovered. At number 2, we journey to the enchanting mountain village of Ella in Sri Lanka. Tucked within emerald hills, this serene escape boasts rolling green tea terraces as far as the eye can see. Ravana waterfalls cascade with breathtaking power, a true natural marvel. For the adventurers, the hike up Little Adams Peak offers panoramic views that seem to stretch to the heavens. Ella is where nature whispers its secrets, and every corner feels like a story unfolding. At number 1, we arrive at the mesmerizing Luang Prabang, the heart of Laos and a true gem of Asia. Picture the turquoise cascades of Kwangsi waterfalls, a natural paradise that feels almost otherworldly. Wander through the historic palace and museum, rich with tales of the ancient capital's royal past. Along the serene Mekong River, local village life unfolds beside stunning temples adorned with golden details. And from the summit of Mount Fosi, witness the city bathed in sunset hues. Luang Prabang is a blend of nature, history, and spirituality that captivates every traveler. Thanks for exploring Asia's wonders with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible adventures. See you in the next video.